stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours. Do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long. Think it's time for you to move on. Realize if it's realizing these real times to be strong.
Waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by. Now I realize you know I've been waiting. 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 Wait for me.
My whole life I forever grinding, waiting for my time to shine just like a diamond. But life is rough and I ain't with that funny stuff. I use it all as motivation, but it's hard to have the patience. Watching time fly by might be the hardest